Hey there, it's Frank with Thinkmoat. Today, we're going to talk about the future of AI. There are a few things we'll talk about today. So, number one, machine learning is going to become the job of software engineers. And number two, is AI is going to split between commercialization and very advanced next leap, next frontier version of AI. For the first one, software engineers will start knowing machine learning. As more machine learning packages become available on GitHub and maintained by large companies, it would be easy for software engineers to implement them.
Open source is about freedom. Yeah. So it gives the customers a lot more freedom to own their own AI. And our vision has been to try to make our customers, to democratize it, to make it faster, cheaper, and easier for customers to do AI. Today it's far too expensive.
So basically, these would be ready-made packages for software engineers to use on the fly in their programs. Many of the software engineers will have to learn machine learning, but they don't have to understand the high-level mathematics behind it. The only thing they need to know is how to pull the data, when to schedule the training, and basically where to point the results. The packages could be similar to building a React project in some sense, if you think about it. So I think it might be pretty advantageous to do that. Where's the AI going in the future? This is where we talked about the split. Machine learning engineers are going to tackle a bigger problem. This is where the split happens. This is what I mentioned earlier. Some machine learning engineers will remain working on prepping the current version of AI into packages, like I mentioned. They will commercialize AI for other developers to integrate in all of their apps. The second type of machine learning is going to tackle very complex artificial general intelligence.
Is we're focusing on autonomous systems. And clearly one purpose of autonomous systems is self-driving cars. There are others. And we sort of see it as the mother of all AI projects. It's probably one of the most difficult AI projects actually to work on. But we are being straightforward that it's a core technology that we view as very important.
I don't think our current methods of deep learning, neural networks will solve AGI, but there is going to be a new wave of AI that's coming. And it's going to take a large group of smart researchers to come up with a type of product, artificial general intelligence.
So when we get to artificial general intelligence, that's when all these agents start cooperating. And we have not really explored that yet. We will. That's what's going to happen over the next few years, is that we're going to start stepping out of this, I'm going to get this single machine learning model, I'm going to get this single computer to do this thing, where we're going to say, I'm going to have 1,000 machine learning models working together to solve a problem.
The next thing is, or the last thing is, AI will be integrated at the network level. So right now we do it through our devices or through some server at a company, right? That's how we do it now. But imagine AI will be integrated at the network level.
AI, machine learning type of software company. We're using those tools to help the operators automate their networks towards 5G and edge computing.
But I will tell you that what sparked a lot of interest last year, as you can well imagine, had to do with the automation of using AI for network operations and management.
Maybe in your home, you have a network level AI that's controlling all your devices, and the feed, you get the devices to make decisions based upon what is going on. So you might still have some true application on a network, or maybe some application on some server that able to receive the feed from all the other devices. I don't know. It depends how that's done. But you can be connected on that network, or maybe it might be the router itself. The router might actually have the AI within it, which might be a completely different story. It would be interesting to see artificial intelligence sitting within the Wi-Fi boxes. If you could build something where it can control all your devices through AI and then be able to then assess and make predictions and try to provide the end user with the most degree of satisfaction based on the end user's device. There's a lot of control there, a lot of control systems that can be done at the network level, which is amazing. Which I don't think we have done that yet. But imagine if you can get to that level of sophistication for every home. That might be a game changer, and also could push the whole 5G initiative. You already know with 5G, you're trying to push out all these devices. You're transmitting these signals through a high band, but they're in shorter distances. So it's hard. So you have to be I know you need a huge amount of infrastructure to build this up. But when they're high band like that, you have a much faster rate connection and data, stuff like that. So if you can build that kind of infrastructure and you have these in your home, automatically your Wi-Fi connects to all your services, communicate with everything within your home, while also communicating with everything in your, I guess, your city around you. So automatically you can know what's going on far away, down a city, and how it would impact your services. And your services can do that on its own without you even being involved. But the future of AI, I think, is going to be on a much larger scale. Right now, we do it at the personal level. We might even do it at the consumer level. But I think in the future, artificial intelligence will be at a level way beyond just consumer base. It's going to affect consumers at a high degree, but it's going to be something that's not at a consumer level. It's going to be at a much higher network, global scale, at a societal level that will then ultimately and indirectly impact the consumer. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.